In this video, we are going to discuss some problems on partial differential equation. Let's see the first example. X square p square plus y square q square equals to z square. Now just take z square to left side in denominator, and we have x square upon z square p square plus y square z square q square equals to 1. We know that p is del z by del x and q is del z by del y. So rewrite the equation as x upon z del z by del x whole square plus y upon z del z by del y whole square equals to 1. Again rewriting the equation, we have del z upon z del x upon x whole square plus del z upon z upon del y upon y whole square equals to 1. Now substituting del z by z equals to del capital Z, del x by x equals to del capital X, and del y upon y is del capital Y. Now when we integrate this term, we get log small z equals to capital Z, log small x equals to capital X, and log small y equals to capital Y. And when we substitute these terms, we have del z by del capital X whole square plus del z by del capital Y whole square equal to 1. And if we take del z by del capital X equals to capital P and del capital Z upon del Y as Q, then this is converted into the form function of PQ equal to 0. So we have P square plus Q square equal to 1. And we know that if the partial differential equation is in first standard form FPQ equal to 0, then the solution is capital Z is equals to A capital X plus B capital Y plus C. Now we partially differentiate capital Z with respect to capital X. We have del Z by del X equals to A, and that is equal to P equals to A, and Q equals to del Z upon del Y equals to B. And we use this P and Q in P square plus Q square equals to 1 in equation number 2. We have A square plus B square equals to 1. We find the value of B, that is under the root 1 minus A square, and put the value of B in our solution. So we have capital Z is equals to A capital X plus under the root 1 minus A square capital Y plus C, and again replacing capital Z, capital X and capital Y, we get the solution. Now again we have another example, z square p square x square plus q square equals to 1. We know that p is del z by del x and q is del z by del y. So again substituting p and q, we have z square del z upon del x upon x whole square plus del z upon del y whole square equal to 1. We replace del x upon x is equal to del capital X, and when we integrate this term, we get log small x equals to capital X. So when we replace del x upon x as del capital X, we get z square del z upon del capital X whole square plus del z upon del y whole square equal to 1. So now the equation is reduced into function of z pq equal to 0. When we write del z upon del y is q and del z upon del capital X as capital P. So now we substitute u is equals to capital X plus ay, and we get del z upon del capital X is equal to dz upon du, and del z upon del y, that is equal to a dz upon du. When we substitute these values in equation number 2, we get z square dz upon du whole square plus a dz upon du whole square equals to 1. We take z square to right hand side, we get 1 upon z square. After simplification, by taking dz upon du whole square as common, and we get dz upon du whole square equals to 1 upon z square 1 plus a square. Now again rewriting dz upon du equals to 1 upon z under the root 1 plus a square. Separating the variables, we get z dz equal to du upon under the root 1 plus a square. Now when we integrate this term, we get z square by 2 equal to u under the root 1 plus a square plus c. Now we replace u as capital X plus ay, and by cross multiplication we get under the root 1 plus a square z square by 2 equals to log x plus ay plus c under the root 1 plus a square as the solution of partial differential equation. Now we have another example, p square plus q square equal to z square x plus y. Now again taking z square to left hand side, we have p upon z whole square plus q upon z whole square equals to x plus y. Replacing p by del z by del x and q by del z by del y. So we have 1 upon z del z by del x whole square plus 1 upon z del z by del y whole square equals to x plus y. Rewriting the equation, we have del z upon z upon del x whole square plus del z upon z upon del y whole square equals to x plus y. Here we take del z upon z equal to del capital Z, and we have by integration log small z equals to capital Z. Now replacing del z upon z, we have del capital Z upon del x whole square plus del capital Z upon del y whole square equals to x plus y. Now taking del capital Z upon del x as capital P and del capital Z upon del y as capital Q, p square plus q square equals to x plus y. Rearranging the terms, p square minus x equals to y minus q square. Now it reduces into standard form function of xp and function of yq. So we have p square minus x equal to a and y minus q square equal to a. We have p square minus x equals to a, then we have p equal to under the root a plus x, y minus q square equal to a, then we get q equal to under the root y minus a. Now using p and q in d capital Z is equals to p dx plus q dy, we get d capital Z is equals to under the root a plus x plus under the root y minus a dy. When we integrate this term and replace capital Z by log Z, we have log Z is equals to 2 by 3 a plus x raised to the power 3 by 2 plus 2 by 3 y minus a raised to the power 3 by 2 plus c, and this is the solution of partial differential equation. Now we have another example, mz minus ny del z by del x plus nx minus lz del z upon del y equals to ly minus mx. Now just see, this is in the form of pp plus qq equals to r. So we first write auxiliary equation and then use Lagrange's method. So when we write auxiliary equation, we have dx upon mz minus ny equal to dy upon nx minus lz equal to dz upon ly minus mx. So we see the simple terms are not here, there are some complicated terms which are not easily separable. So we just take multipliers as x, y, z, and when multiply first term in numerator and denominator by x, second term by y in numerator and denominator, and the last term by z in numerator and denominator, and when we add all the terms we get x dx plus y dy plus z dz upon 0, which gives x dx plus y dy plus z dz equal to 0, and when we integrate we get x square upon 2 plus y square upon 2 plus z square upon 2 equal to some constant c. Taking 2 as common, and we have x square plus y square plus z square equal to c1. Now again taking the multipliers as lmn and repeating the same process, we get L dx plus m dy plus n dz equal to 0, and when we integrate this term we get Lx plus my plus nz equal to sum c2, and we have the solution x square plus y square plus z square equals to function of Lx plus my plus nz. So now in this unit number 4, partial differential equation, we have covered the topics introduction or definition, order of the partial differential equation, formation, types, and the solution by which we get by Lagrange's method, standard forms, and Charpit's method. That's all.